Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can fix Instagram black screen. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for Instagram, and you need to update Instagram application. Once you done that, you simply need to go into the settings of your smartphone and go into the app management and click on app list and search here Instagram. Okay, and click on storage and cache, and the first step you need to do is to clear cache, and after that you need to click on clear storage and click on OK. Once you've done that, you simply need to turn off your smartphone and turn on again and log in into your account on Instagram, and after that your issue will be resolved. So let me show you. So here you can see that my Instagram is working. So by following these steps, you can easily fix the Instagram black screen problem. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.